thought today I'd tell you a little bit about these fruit bags. This is something that was first started by Clemson University. That's actually where I bought these. So we've got our little Clemson Tiger logo, but you can also find them online. They're little paper fruit bags. And the purpose of these is that it helps reduce the amount of pesticides that go on your fruit if you do need to spray your fruits. And it also serves as a method of exclusion so that if there are insects or pathogen spores, they just can't get to the fruit. And so I've been experimenting with these on my grapes the past few years. And basically, when I start to see my grapes developing, I will go ahead and put one of these fruit bags over the cluster. Insert those fruit inside the bag, and it protects them. Then, if I make a pesticide application for either a fungus or a disease, I'm primarily spraying the foliage rather than the fruit, which is the part I want to eat. So it's one way of reducing your pesticide exposure. I've also found that just in general, even without using pesticides, I have a lot less disease and insect problems on my fruit when I put these bags around them. It also, one of the biggest problems we have with our grapes is the birds tend to get the grapes before we do. And so this actually prevents the birds from getting at those fruits. So we have been very successful in our garden at using them. These were really designed to be used on peaches, since South Carolina is such a high fruit production state, but it can be used on lots of different fruits, peaches, nectarines, apples, and they're all applied the same way. You basically just open the bag, put the fruit inside, and then there's a little wire inside this paper that you can wrap around it. This still allows light to penetrate and moisture. They dry, they're papery, and it's just been really successful. So I thought I would just tell you a little bit about it if you're trying to look at some alternative methods of insect and disease management.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.